Feeling a little bit glum at the moment because our little veggie patch and herb garden, well, it's not looking the same way it was about a week ago. Now look, we had a bit of a hot spell of weather come through. We didn't have a chance to set up our irrigation, and as you can see, it's not looking too good. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to set up the irrigation first before I replant, because this is like insurance for your veggie patch. This is a real simple one to do. Now, in this box is everything you need to get the job done. So what we got here is some 4mm tube. This bit here is the manifold. This bit here is a little pressure reducer. We've got our spike. That's a little coupling that we need. And here we have got the little tricklers that we're going to use as well, and they're going to be running to each plant. So you grab your spike, put your coupling screwed on the top like that, just till it's finger tight, that's fine. Then the pressure reducer goes on. And what that's actually doing is that's just relieving the pressure a little bit so these fittings don't blow off. And then the manifold goes on top. Roughly work out where you want to position it and just pop it in the ground. And basically what you want to do is just work out roughly how long you want your tube to be and give it a little bit extra length so you've got a little bit of flexibility. So that can be one there. Cut that and just leave that close by. And we'll do another one on this side here. All right, so you just continue it along. I know I'm going to put a plant back in this corner here. Cut him in there. Okay. All right, so that is our 6 lengths cut. So what you want to do now is you just turn that upside down like that, and you notice here there's those little connectors there. Basically all you need to do is just push the 4mm tube on there till it can't go any further, like so. Pretty easy. And just continue that all the way around. Now what we can do is basically just spike this in. Okay, so from here, these are the little tricklers, and basically that little connection just pushes straight into your 4mm tube. All right, that's our last one. So from here, now we just position, so we're sort of evenly spacing these out. So I'll bring this one around the side there like that. We can put another one about there. The beauty of this is that you can switch them around whenever you need to. You can actually shorten these again, or you can put longer ones in as well. Okay, so now we just get our hose. We can connect that straight in. So as you can see, we've got water and it's working very, very well. Now, what I love about this system is it's got full control. Not only can you move these around wherever you need them, but also we've got a little tap system here, which means that we can turn it right down to nothing, or we can let it rip and turn it right up. Now, you've also got extra control as well by turning these right down too. We can turn them off and turn them up. So there's 2 little taps that control how much water comes out, which means that you'll never be overwatering. It'll be really, really efficient to run. But best of all, it'll make sure your herbs and veggies are A1.